Alright, this video is to help you to find two related but different concepts with circles. One of them is circumference, which is this highlighted yellow portion, which is the distance around a circle. So it's kind of like a perimeter, kind of like a specialized perimeter. Area is not the distance around this circle. It's the number of square yards or square feet or square inches that would be on the inside of this circle, so covering my shape. We'll start with the circumference. So with this circle we have over here, we're going to use this formula for circumference. C equals pi times diameter, where pi, that symbol here, is approximately 3.14. And so whenever we use our formula for the circumference, we have C is equal to pi times diameter. In the picture, this is my radius. My radius goes from the center to the outside. So all the way across my circle would then be 8 inches. So I'm going to plug those values in. I'm trying to find the circumference. I know that pi is approximately 3.14. My diameter of this circle is 8. And so I'm going to multiply those two things together. You can use a calculator for that. So we're going to multiply our 3.14 times 8, and we get 25.12. So my circumference is 25.12 inches. Okay, an answer that they may ask you to round to the nearest tenths, hundredths, or whole number. Okay, then we're going to move to the other one. For this one, we're trying to find the area, so we're using a different formula. My formula for this one is area is equal to pi times radius squared, not radius times 2, but radius squared. So again, we're using that same value of pi because that's a constant. Pi is approximately 3.14. And so we're going to use our formula here. Area is equal to pi r squared. And I'm going to substitute in my values. I have pi is 3.14. My radius in this problem is not 8. 8 is the diameter that goes all the way across from one side to the other, passing through the center. So if the diameter is 8 of this circle, that means the radius has to be 4. And that's going from here to here. So 4 yards. So I'm going to substitute that in. So I've got 3.14 times 4 squared, which is not 4 times 2, but 4 times itself. So this is really 3.14 times 16. And again, we can use the calculator for that. So for this problem, we've got 3.14 times 16, and we get 50.24. So 50.24, my label is yards. It is squared for the exponent, and that's because we're talking about area. So two different concepts related to circles. One is circumference, which is the yellow distance around the outside. The other one is the number of square inches, square yards in this case, square feet to cover the shape.